The more we travel, more we realize that the places we used to see as paintings in our childhood do exist for real. The more we travel, more we realize how less we have seen, how less we have explored, and how less we have experienced this beautiful world. Here are some of the best memories from whatever we have explored and seen in 2018.
Take me away from home. Show me all the places I've never known. And we'll chase the night, race all of these broken dreams in flight. And we'll fly. Up here, we're free, bound only by frozen memories, lost in time, racing all these broken dreams tonight, and we'll fly.
Well, 2018 will go down the memory lane as the most adventurous year of my life, and looking forward to even more adventurous 2019. So stay tuned for more travel stories.